Welcome to another Shibadoge price prediction. We all know that Shibadoge has been trading right now, and Shibadoge have gotten a lot of attention, especially when Ethereum Wells just bought Shibadoge, and now Shibadoge is the second highest crypto coins in Ethereum Wells data. Okay, now in this video, let's talk about the worth of 500 quadrillion Shibadoge token. Now, Shibadoge still have the potential of making a lot of people millionaires, and you can become millionaires, especially for those that missed out on Shiba Inu. Now, with a $70 investment at the time of recording this video, you can buy 500 quadrillion Shibadoge token. Now, according to crypto.com and according to coinmarketcap.com, the current price of Shibadoge is trading with about 15 zeros. I mean, one Shibadoge to USD. Okay, now Shibadoge is trading with about 15 zeros. Now, if we decide to invest $70 in Shibadoge right now, we are going to have about 500 quadrillion Shibadoge token. Now, we are expecting that this 500 quadrillion Shibadoge token, like some people might be saying that will Shibadoge ever hit 1 cent? Shibadoge have a lot of zeros, so we should not be predicting about Shibadoge hitting 1 cent. We should be talking about Shibadoge losing between 3 to 6 or 7 zeros, because if Shibadoge goes ahead and loses just 3 zeros, then your $70 will be worth almost a lot of money. Okay, you will worth almost close to $7,000 to $70,000 if Shibadoge loses between 2 to 3 zeros. Now, if Shibadoge goes ahead and loses about 5 zeros, remember Shibadoge is currently trading with 15 zeros, then you are already a millionaire. If Shibadoge can hit 5 zeros or 6 zeros, your $70 investment will make you a millionaire. Now, Shibadoge still have that popularity because of the name Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Now, Ethereum Wells, we all know that is very popular, and Ethereum Wells are known for buying a lot of crypto coins. Now, under Ethereum Wells, they have other crypto coins, even small cap coins and big cap coins. Right now, Ethereum Wells have actually purchased over 7 million worth of Shibadoge. Okay, now if a company like Ethereum Wells can invest $7 million on Shibadoge, remember Shibadoge is currently trading with 15 zeros, and Shibadoge is ranked number 3,205 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Imagine investing such amount. Then we are expecting that if they will decide to invest $70 on Shibadoge. But please remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now, if Ethereum Wells can invest such amount on this Shibadoge token, that is to say that we are expecting the price of Shibadoge to at least lose between 2 to 5 zeros between the next coming months or coming years. Okay, now Shibadoge is going to represent Shiba Inu, because when Shiba Inu was actually trading with a lot of zeros, many people missed the opportunity of investing in Shiba Inu, and a lot of people became millionaires, while many people regretted not buying Shiba Inu earlier. Now, here comes Shibadoge, a token that is trading with about 15 zeros according to CoinMarketCap and Crypto.com data. Now, we are expecting that the price of Shibadoge can actually lose, because Shibadoge have really gotten the support of Ethereum Wells, and before you know it, many other people will start investing in Shibadoge. What Shibadoge needs now is more investors, okay, more wallets. Let many people come in, let people buy more of Shibadoge coin, let people invest. And also Shibadoge need listing. Okay, some of the top crypto exchange need to list Shibadoge, and we're hoping that the price of Shibadoge is going to do well later in the future. So now, right now, even if you decide to invest in Shibadoge, even though you invest $5 in Shibadoge, why not invest some little token in Shibadoge? Because you might not know what the next news might be. It might be this year, it might be next year, it might be next 2 years. We might start hearing that Shibadoge is now the new Shiba Inu that might go ahead to lose even up to 7 to 8 zeros. even a $1 investment on this token is not bad, because you still have a lot of zeros. So you can never tell, but just do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. So if Ethereum West can invest such amount, why can't we do so? Like for me, I will buy more Shibadoge token, and I'm hopefully that before the end of next year 2023 we should be able to make good return on investment. Once again, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.